Hi, I'm Chad Wunderlich with Viking Pump, and we've reached the finale of our 5-part series on seals. Now, so far we've covered packing, O-Pro, lip seals, and mechanical seals. Up next, sealless mag drive pumps. You're watching the Pump Report. All the seal types we've covered so far are classified as dynamic seals. Pumps fitted with a dynamic seal include a shaft which runs directly from the drive to the pumping elements. The dynamic seal is the transition between the inside and the outside of the pump. Mag drive pumps have no dynamic seal. Instead, there are two independent shafts, one that connects to the drive and another that connects to the pumping elements. A magnetic coupling transfers the rotation of the drive shaft to the driven shaft inside the pump. The Viking Pump mag drive coupling consists of an outer magnet and an inner magnet. Both are fitted with an equal number of powerful rare earth magnets to align with each other and transmit rotation of the drive shaft to the pump shaft. A canister in the gap between the magnets contains the liquid and inner magnet. Mag drive offers the highest level of liquid containment possible and is ideal for difficult to seal liquids like adhesives or polyurethane foam. Additionally, mag drives are favored for toxic or flammable liquids or for pumps that are in remote, difficult to monitor locations. Liquid containment is critical to safety, preventing environmental contamination, and limiting your downtime. So choosing the right seal for your application is a critical part of pump selection. Hopefully this series has given you an idea of the wide variety of seals available, as well as the strengths and limitations of each. To learn more about seals offered by Viking Pump, or to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.